The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisville Metro Police Department, thirsty people, and a dehydrated bird on fire. After a series of floods affected the entirety of Louisville, many civilians have taken it upon themselves to drink the floodwaters in order to bring the water levels down to normal. As you'd expect, a lot of the civilians now have water poisoning and are in the hospital. And to those people, what the hell were you thinking drinking dirty flood water? Do you know what diseases are in there? You better be glad there's medicine to help you. I don't expect you to survive, but survival of the fittest really doesn't apply to you. Take a good look at yourself and tell me you will survive. Due to some small riots, someone is now proceeding to cause the flood waters to rise again. She really needs to weed out the weak, because this is entertaining. She better hope she won't be hunted down by the healthy swimmers. Since that giant bird is close to death by dehydration, I'm going in for the kill. I hope you all can swim. If not, enjoy the effort. I don't care.